Hey guys, so today I'm gonna be doing I did blank's makeup tutorial, and today I will be doing Nikki tutorial. I asked you guys on Instagram to do a poll, and honestly, that was the most amount of votes I've gotten in my whole entire life. Nikki tutorials and Jacqueline Hill were head on head at this point, okay, but Nikki won. But I think I'm gonna do Jacqueline too, because she was my OG, you know what I mean? Anyways, let's just get started with the tutorial. This is the how to slay your holiday makeup look. So I literally wore the something like her shirt, and she's wearing something like this. I'm like, yes, bitch. Okay, anyway, this is from Lovisa, in case you guys are wondering. Okay, let's just get started.
Hello guys,
Hello.
I want to do a very glam, sexy, smoky, sophisticated, but most of all, glam Thanksgiving makeup look. Grab the brushes, grab your shadows, and let's get glam together. Alright, so today I'm going to be priming way differently than I usually do, because I've been seeing people prime with the most glowy product on the market, and then they put foundation over top, and somehow it just radiates through. So So I'm going to be trying the iconic London tomato drops.
Okay, I don't have that, but I have the Cover FX Custom Enhancer drops in rose gold, which is I think almost similar to that color. So
mixing it with a MAC stroke cream. Just a warning, I'm going to be looking like a radiating tin man, so wear sunglasses. Wear protection, baby.
Wear protection, baby. Okay, so I don't have MAC stroke cream, so I'm just going to use this, because By the way, I'm shifting myself here a bit so you guys can see the video here. Oh.
I'm crying.
Okay, I'm gonna try and do that. And oh no, I have oily skin. This is not gonna go well for me. I don't foresee this going so well, especially the fact that I'm going for my sister's birthday after this. I just don't.
And now, we start buffing it in, baby.
Oh my gosh, she uses a brush! Okay, Nikki, you're too fast. Oh my god, I'm so oily.
Suddenly, Instagram loves me. Why do people do this? I'm so confused. Well, okay then. So, apparently...
Wait! Oh my god. I look like a tin man. This is emphasizing every single thing. This is not good. I'm going out.
This is an amazing dewy primer that is gonna make you look like a glowy Victoria's Secret model, and give me that.
Same.
Today I'm gonna be going in with the Huda Beauty Faux Filter in the color Angel Food.
Mine is Tres Leche.
In with a drop of Jouer Essential.
I don't have that, so I'm just gonna use my Huda Beauty one.
And I'm applying this using my Morphe sponge.
I don't have the Morphe sponge, so I'm gonna use my Brina Beauty. Sorry, it's gonna come on my head. Oh, she's a. Oh, I don't do that, but since we're following her.
Hello, coverage. We have come home. Oh, and let me say it again. If you are new here and you are looking for a natural finish, this is not the channel. Although I have told myself to do a natural makeup challenge. This is probably an everyday look for most people, but for me it's an actual challenge to go natural. So I might upload a video soon to do a natural makeup challenge. And I'm talking natural. Think BB cream. Think naturalness. For concealer, I'm going to be using...
Okay, sabar. Kau cepat sangat. I cannot keep up. Wait, hold on. Oh my god. No, boo boo, no.
This NARS complete, soft matte complete concealer in the color Light 1, and this is my favorite concealer.
I don't have that concealer, but I have my ColourPop concealer, and this is my favorite concealer at the moment too, so I'm gonna use this, okay?
As of this moment, look, I've hit pan. I love it.
Okay, it's not hit pan, but it's almost gone. Does she conceal her eyes?
And I'm gonna make my under eye.
Oh, wait! I think she concealed because I see like her eyes are concealed. She doesn't use a primer. I just don't trust people who don't use primer, you know? I'm just going to blend that with my beauty blender because she was using a brush and all my brush are dirty. And I'm just not willing to fuck this shit up anymore, you know? So I'm going out for this. Let's just continue, okay?
Using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder.
Okay, so I don't have that. I'm just gonna use my Laura Mercier Loose Translucent Powder. I'm guessing she doesn't powder her whole face. I don't know because she didn't say anything. But I'm just gonna powder my whole entire face because I have oily skin. And I know it says follow, but like, I'm follow, but I'm gonna tweak it to make it my own. You know what I mean? I'm gonna use that same loose setting powder by Laura Mercier. And I'm gonna set my whole entire face. Okay, she gets all up and personal and close and shit.
You know that throughout this look, there are going to be a couple of stages where you are going to think to yourself, oh my god. I mean, I definitely have those stages.
Me!
So I'm already primed, and now we're going to move on to the first shadow. I'm going in with this Morphe 39A eyeshadow palette.
Okay, so I don't have this palette, neither do I. Okay, but I have like a lot of Morphe palettes. Okay, I'm gonna go into the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm gonna take the shade Mocha. That shade seems to suit a lot more.
And taking this color right here called Cat Eye.
Okay.
And this is going all the way into the crease. And first I'm kind of stamping the color on in the shape that I want. And today I'm keeping the shape a little bit more rounded. And by pressing the color in first into the shape that you like it, you're going to have minimal fallout.
I'm just using my Coastal Scents BR250 brush. Stamp it in. Okay. So she said when you stamp it in, you'll have minimal fallout. So... oh, the shit is intense. Oh, she's so fast. Wait. I am getting fallout. Lies!
All the way to the inner corner.
Okay.
Cannot. Kenapa? Oh my god, it looks so unblended. I'm like, I get it, Nikki. I get what you say just now. Like, you will feel like it's gonna be like, what the fuck? Like, I feel so what the fuck right now. I feel so what the fuck right now. I cannot.
You want to go in with a clean blending brush and buff out the edges.
Kau ingat aku dah beribu brush eh?
And just use very light feathery strokes. You barely don't touch your skin, and the bristles of your brush are barely moving. That's how soft you want to blend this out. Now I'm going to take a little bit of the...
Cepat sangat ada ni. I'm gonna do the Jaclyn Hill trick where she like pats in the powder into her face and like just bakes it underneath so that there is no like... even when there's fallout, it's not that bad.
Color Bare, and this is going to go right in between where it's looking a little messy. And this is
okay, so I don't have that shit. It looks a little bit like MFEO. Oh my god, look at that. What the fuck is that?
Color Bare, and this is going to go right in between where it's looking a little messy. And this is definitely one of those stages where you're like, oh my god, it's looking so splotchy, it's looking so messy. You're gonna be fine.
Are you sure? You gotta promise me I'm gonna be fine.
So after all of that, you have something like this, but you can...
No, bitch, I literally don't. Why is it looking so splotchy? What the fuck? Oh my god, I'm just not about this life. I'm just really, really not about this life.
You can see that in some spots, the dark brown looks a little splotchy or ashy. So now we're going to go back in with the dark brown to kind of reinforce it.
I did that just now. So I don't have Max Lac Cover Up. It's such a bougie name. But I'm gonna use my ColourPop concealer again because this is my ride-or-die bitch. I'm just gonna load up because she load up her bitch. I ain't coming to play. I come to slay. Okay, okay, it's coming somewhere. It's coming. It's just not there yet, but it's coming.
Now, usually what you would do is set the entire mid portion of the lid and create a spotlight smoky eye. For the horizontal one, you first want to create a smoky liner. So I'm going back in with that dark brown color on the lash line, blending up. A shimmer that's sort of like a mid-tone shimmer. So it's not your lightest shimmer, it's a mid-tone shimmer. I said that.
I'm using the shade Queen because it's the nearest to that shade.
Applying this on top of the concealer, almost touching the far top edge of the concealer, but just leaving that top edge bare.
Okay.
Now on the very top...
Sab! She's too fast for me, okay? Her one is so like sa, and then mine is like
Sakitnya ku di sini di dalam hatiku. Sakitnya ku di sini di dalam hatiku.
Let's continue. Let's continue with the Queen.
I'm gonna use this pigment by Peaches and Cream. This is called Gatsby, and their pigments are one of my favorite pigments on the market. So this is going right on the bare edge.
Okay, I don't have that, but I have my NIKKIE loose pigment in bronze. Literally, my fucking camera is trying to fuck with me. I'm getting so annoyed, so I'm just gonna ignore it. Like, don't you see hers look so blended, and then there's mine literally so not blended. Like, as if I've never been taught to blend my shit. I don't get it. I literally feel like this is so rude. Like, I'm hurt. I'm actually genuinely hurt right now. This looks so... I look so ugly. I hate it. I thought I could do this, but I was wrong.
This. Yummy. On the waterline, I'm applying...
Why is it looking nothing like hers? I give up. I give up. So I need you guys to be honest with me. Is it looking anything like hers? Do you see that, like dark brown outer corner? What the fuck? I literally never did shit on that. I'm so annoyed. I don't know why is it like that. Okay, I haven't waterlined my eyes in like the longest time. I forget the difference it makes my eye look. Is she smudging it down? She's smudging it down, bitch. Okay. I'm just gonna use my pencil brush and set it. I'm using the black from the Jaclyn Hill palette.
And now smoking that lower lash.
Oh, okay. Wait, what shit was that?
From the Morphe palette.
Okay, Evolve. That shade. Nothing in the Jaclyn Hill palette looks like that, but like the closest thing is like Roxanne, so I'm gonna use Roxanne. Uh-oh.
And on the inner corner, my...
Saba! I'm just gonna use my Real Techniques brush and just take any of the highlighting shade, the second highlighting shade in the Jaclyn Hill palette, which is Beam, and just apply that onto my inner corners.
For lashes, I'm now going to be applying the Tati lashes in TL24.
So guys, after 5 years, we finally got somewhere. Finally.
Alright, so that is it for the horizontal spotlight smoky eyes. I just had so much fun doing this eye look because it's a different shape for once, and it's a new technique for once. So
correct.
Big thumbs up to Stacey Marie MUA on Instagram for inspiration.
I love her. I
hope this bronzer right here by Tom Ford, and it is called the Ultimate Bronzer in the color 1 Gold Dust, but that's warm. Alright, so
I don't have that because that's expensive.
My usual bronzer. I'm gonna mix up the two because people are giving me...
Okay, so she's using Benefit Hoola Light. I cannot use that. I can only use Benefit Hoola. And she's using the Tom Ford bronzer, which I don't have because that's fucking expensive. So I'm just gonna use my regular Benefit Hoola. Bronze up the face.
Alright,
okay.
Contouring, I cannot live without. without, you know, with all the turkey that's gonna go down my throat, I need to sculpt.
That's not the only thing going down your throat, Nikki.
Barely Legal by Kylie Cosmetics.
Don't have that shit. I'm using Tarte Exposed.
Now do some cheek carving. I told you we're gonna look like we're full. We're gonna look full.
Okay.
Right now I'm gonna highlight my face because I want to look glowy AF.
Same.
Dinner.
Same.
So
but for me lunch.
Donut. The further we go along with the videos, the more pan you're gonna see.
Okay, I don't have glazed donut. That's a big brush. I have something similar that is Jeffree Star Skin Frost in Crystal Ball.
Now for lips, I'm first gonna line my Cupid's bow and bottom lip using the Jouer Longwear Cream.
Don't have that.
This lip liner, especially this color right here, this is in the color Pink Champagne Shimmer. This lip liner has a shimmer to it, so once you kind of rub it in after applying it, the shimmer kind of comes up and it just looks like you have very naturally, beautifully sculpted lips. Plus my favorite thing about this is that it lasts all day. So some ingredient in this is gonna make it last all day long.
I don't have any of the what the hell she's saying, so I'm just gonna use my regular Ride or Die Catrice Upper Brown Side.
First color is Buff, and for a highlight,
Buff.
This one is so special. This is called Papaya, and it is a beautiful, look at that gold shimmer.
Yes. It's like a peachy, pinky nude. Okay, I don't think I have anything like that. I'm kidding. I love Kylie's Exposed. It's my favorite one. So I'm gonna apply that all over there. Okay, I don't have Papaya, but I know she wears a lip gloss after that, and I think it's my Marc. I think it's Marc Jacobs Pretty Thing lip gloss because it looks like the Marc Jacobs lip gloss handle. God, my lips look so good. I don't want to wear a lip gloss, but we have to follow the queen. Oh, my lips feel instantly like so plump. So yeah, guys, this is the completed look. Very Nikki tutorials. I like it, but honestly, I really don't like the eye, and that's my fault. Maybe I just don't know how to blend. It's just so not like me, honestly. I am blending princess, because the queen is Nikki, Jacqueline, and Kathleen, and Desi, and all of them basically. I am princess, okay? I can blend, okay? But this eye look to me is so not blended, but it looks so blended on hers, and it's like, what am I doing wrong? Anyways, do I look like Nikki now? As in the makeup, obviously. I might do the Jaclyn Hill one because, like, as I said, Jaclyn Hill and Nikki tutorials were like really close. So I might do that. If you guys did enjoy this look, please give me a thumbs up. And let me know what you guys would like to see next. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You know the deal with that. And follow me on all my social medias. They're all linked down below, especially my Instagram. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye, guys. Mwah.